Okay, now we moved on to the next part. Okay, now we moved on to the next part. I said it 2 times because I'm scared. Now we have this coffee mushy mushy. Coffee mushy mushy. Smooshy mushy. That's all I'm going to say about this. That's mushy 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 mushy. It's hot cocoa. Cameraman, it's hot cocoa.
Yeah, hot cocoa. Coca.
I mean hot
Coca
cocoa.
is the ingredient to make chocolate.
I thought it was cocoa. I hope I get a little cute thing named Coco. I got my thing stuck. Ugh. So there's one piece stuck up there. Hey, cameraman, do we need to take this out? Let the camera see it. Okay, now we got the rubbish out. I mean the trash. What do you guys say, rubbish or trash? I say rubbish.
Or litter. You can also say litter. Is it somehow?
Yes.
How come they always pack the things so difficult? Oh, you see?
We got the coffee cup, we got a red and the other color. We got a mist. It's square. We got this. You see, we got 2 chains. We got a red chain and a little green chain. See? So now let's put it on top of there and close it up. So that's probably that thing. Now let's open this. Why do I hear some music? We got another popsicle. What is this? Cheesecake.
Strawberry cake. No, I don't know.
Cheesecake. The big one is, it's a fox. We have the other flyer. We got the name tag. Oh, we got the sticker. See the sticker? Hello, my name is Sticker Bear. You see my little dot there? My little dot is Audrey's finger. Hey, cameraman, seriously, look.
Yeah. You see?
Now it's dark. That was fun. Next time we put it under the other side so they could have a surprise. We put it down there. We put the Lemington. Oh, it's like the Shopkin Lemington. So we're gonna end the video here. Bye guys. Just kidding. We're gonna have that thing. Put that thing back on. That thing on. That thing on. That thing on the side, that thing on the top, that thing on the top. It's not gonna work. Let me take that out first. Oh my gosh, that came flying. Now we got more space to put it. We put the small things and then this big thingy. And then we put this on. Guys, look, it's so cool. We put the round one on the round thing. So that's what I'm basically gonna do. Now the leftovers just gonna be put in the other one. The other one has nothing except trash. Now where's the other cup? Oh, right here. So I thought this was way too big. crashed there, so now we worked it. And okay, we're gonna leave the video here. This video is only 5 minutes and some seconds, so we're ending the video. Okay, so bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Dee dee.